So, we saw this action from way down at the other end of D Street. Some kind of action over here between, looks like McNally Appliance and the Buckeye area. Of course, the dog is taking time to sniff. Yep, hey, this one. Just gonna do a walk by. I don't like to really interfere with police workings. At least we're not dealing with corruption anyway. Dog leading the way. Smells like Szechuan. Well, China Moon's back there. I think Szechuan's the one up here, isn't it? Are we smelling something else? We might be smelling silver dollar. I don't know. They're getting ready to open something in there. Getting ready to open something in there. I'm not sure what. Yeah. Yeah, they're revitalizing this part of town. Oh, that's silver dollar. Smells like steak. We'll be all right. Just gonna do a cruise by. Do a cruise by. Hot dog. Got a sniff.
Is it checkpoint?
I don't know. I don't think it's a checkpoint. I think it was probably somebody doing stupid shit. Got pulled over. They ran him and something else is up. Well, looks like it's over now. Out tail light, old truck. Out tail light. Well, that's that. Go through here. All right, folks. And Hispanic music. Well, it is kind of, you know, asking for trouble by a bar. All right, folks, that's all for tonight.